The hazards of a fire are ominous and intimidating. While it is an asset when used judiciously, the very same fire can play havoc and create widespread danger and destruction. With an enduring passion to provide safety to property and human life, we at Ravel Electronics are committed to provide fire safety solutions to the industry at large. Starting with little modest steps, the saga of Ravel Electronics has been an incredible and extraordinary one of persistence, perseverance, enterprise, and diligence. Our state-of-the-art manufacturing units are at Mahindra World City and in Chennai, alongside with 2 R&D facilities at Chennai and Bangalore. Our dedicated and devoted in-house design and development team function with the firm belief that innovation is the fuel that enhances growth, constantly striving to improve our products to create a benchmark in the industry. In need of rising to the challenge of a rapidly globalizing market is our research and development team. With a deep insight into emerging trends in the industry, the team is constantly creating new and advanced products for the fire alarm industry. From time to time, we formulate, devise and implement quality systems for the inward raw material store to enhance the longevity of the end products. Our fully integrated state-of-the-art production plants with full SMT manufacturing lines are equipped with a wide range of products with maximum efficiency. We deliver a wide array of fire alarm integrated solutions that have earned universal recognition for reliability and safety. Our vast assortment of more than 250 products has become synonymous for quality in the fire alarm industry. At Ravel Electronics, we have stringent and strict quality control systems in place to match international testing standards and ensure our commitment to our valued customers. Ravel has become synonymous to the fire safety and security industry, branches out to the rest of the globe and established us as the leading manufacturer of the fire safety industry. Among the various stages of quality assurance and control mechanisms, the most stringent and demanding one is the final quality control and testing. Intense care is taken to ensure each product is tested to ensure that it meets all factors and industry quality standards. Ravel Electronics manufactures addressable range of products, conventional range of products, gas suppression panels, public address systems, firefighting systems. Once all quality parameters are endorsed and approved, the products are packed and dispatched to various destinations to more than 100 plus distributors spread across 36 countries. The core team at Ravel Electronics is highly qualified and dedicated to the essential values of the company. At Ravel, we have inculcated the firm belief that our best resources are our human assets. Our dedicated and diligent workforce of over 300 direct and over 1,000 indirect employees globally are part of one large and happy family. A highly responsive and responsible customer care team resolves problems 24/7 to our esteemed customers. We have more than 40 plus distributors and 200 plus dealers globally with over 1 million clients across the globe. Ravel Electronics, reliability at reach.